Hi guys, what's up? It's May. Welcome back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a very short winter haul or winter lookbook. Just wanted to bring out those cozy outfits that I have stuck in my closet because apparently we're not going anywhere and the Philippines is blazing hot even by the end of the year, so a lookbook is probably the best thing that I could do with winter clothes. In line with this, yesStyle has sent me their warm and cozy package and I'm so excited to try them out and incorporate it with my winter looks. So let's open it up. I got this package from yesStyle and I'm going to open it up. Even though the Philippines is still blazing hot, even by the end of the year, I'm still so excited because I love winter and I love cozy clothes. So here goes nothing. Ooh, we got a lot going on and I'm kind of happy about it. Okay, I don't know what we're going to open first, but the first thing that I saw is this Panda Pillow. It's so adorable. Wait, does it? It has a blanket inside and it's so cute. It's so adorable. Aww. The panda prints are so cute. Nugget is so gonna like this and will probably get saliva all over this. The next one is we have avocado sauce. Not sure how I'm going to incorporate this in my winter look, but let's see. And then we have these cute ear mufflers.
Ooh, it bends this way. Oh, I see. That's convenient. That's like...
This is convenient. I don't have earmuffs that do fold like this, so it's compact. Dude, am I cute or what? Dude, I'm so excited. I super miss winter, snow. I miss the cold weather because of this. We also have some gloves and these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are the gloves that I really wanted. If you're asking where are the fingers, this is the magic of these gloves. Okay, I hope I'm wearing this right. The button should be on my wrist, right? Anyway, I love this. I mean, it keeps your palm really warm and you can take pictures. That is one of the biggest problems that I have when going to cold places because I can't wear gloves because even though your glove has like the touch smart pad thing on your fingers, it's really still hard to navigate your phone, take pictures, and do whatever you need to do with your phone. So this keeps you warm and also have access to your phone. We also have a hand cream because your hands are going to be so dry. To be honest, you're going to be dry everywhere during winter. So I always have one in my bag whenever I'm going somewhere in a cold season and I know that my skin's going to chop like crazy. I'm so happy that they sent me this because I had a red beret, but it's too small for me now because it's been like so long. Oh! Reminds me of Emily in Paris. Please take me somewhere. Take me somewhere. Oh, I love this. I really miss going out. I really miss dressing up. I feel like I'm a fancy person. Bonjour, bonsoir, mademoiselle. I don't know French, but I feel so French with this beret. I'll be linking all of these products in the description box below, so if you want to grab one yourself, feel free to do so because I'm still not complaining. Of course, when you think about warm and cozy, a scarf is definitely a piece that you don't want to miss. This is a classic brown scarf. Ooh, I like this. Is this cashmere? I don't know, but it's so warm. It's so warm. And it kind of blends in with the curtains on the background. For the last one, it's a thick leggings. It's a thick leggings, which is supposed to be warm. Oh my god, yes, it is warm. So the fabric is this, I don't know if you can see, this fabric is a thick, stretchy fabric, but when you take a look inside, it has fleece on it, so you are definitely going to be warm. This is a one size thing. Leggings, ooh, I like the crotch area because this won't give you any weird camel toe things. At the bottom you can see an extra layer. Not sure if it's supposed to go inside or like extend out, but we'll probably know how it's supposed to look like when we do the try on haul with the winter lookbook. That's all from yesStyle. Thank you yesStyle for sending these products out. Make sure to check them out. I'll link all of these products in the description box below, and if you want to check out their website, feel free to do so. So excited to try on these products. Now let's head out to the lookbook. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. If you guys didn't know, my best friend and I have started a podcast. It's called Coffee with Chinititas, and it's streaming on Spotify, uploading every Tuesday. Don't forget that I upload every Friday as well, and this is a special upload because Black Friday sale is near, and I want you guys to get that sale going on. They're going up to 80% off in their website. Make sure to check them out. See you guys, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!